Hello and welcome to the course. In this course we are going to take a look into Hunyuan, FramePack and Wan2.2 in ComfyUI or while using ComfyUI. That means we are going to first off install ComfyUI in general. So if you have done this already or you are not a beginner at all, then feel free to go and skip this installation part. What's going to be important over here, we are going to literally build our own workflows, and also we are making use of some already existing workflows and then make sure that they're also working for low GPU, like a VRAM of 8 GB. Make sure you have at least 60 GB in your PC so you can work flawlessly with literally everything over here. We are going to learn how to create and how to save these workflows in our folders, how to load custom ones and where to place them. We are going to take a look into either of them of different workflows, and we are going to learn how to upscale at the very end. Also, we are taking a look into how to make videos background transparency if necessary for certain projects like for green screening and stuff like that. We are also going to take a look into how we could, based for them video contents, create our own custom nodes, but we are not directly programming them on our own. We are going to use AI to learn how to do this, or basically let AI do the job for us. So we will get probably a result like this one, and yours might look like this one as well. So we're gonna take a look into this into further examples as well. Also, if we are not able to create these kind of settings or our own custom nodes in general, what we can do is then we can create our own custom workflows, which are literally doing the same content over here. For example, this one, also we're gonna take a look into the actual subgraphs and take a look how we can set these up and actually do a certain different or kind of correct job over here. And what we then get is a certain output, and we can define the output out of these subgraphs. So this one over here, for example, is going to resize an image based on the longest size. So for example, or the longest side. So basically, this result is going to be then 592, which is the input, and then will be reduced automatically to where the longest side, which is the 592, like the height, is going to be the longest size, and the smaller one is going to be automatically matching, because we are needing this one later on in our videos. And also, especially when it comes to our own custom nodes, we are going to use this technique. We are learning how to set this one up in a graph if you don't like to create your own custom nodes. So we literally start with FramePack, the B model, which is going to be the oldest model over here. We are going to take a look into image to video as well as into text to video workflows. Then we move on to F1 models, and I believe we are going to start with Hunyuan in the first place. So we're going to take a look into Hunyuan as well in the beginning. Then we go over to FramePack, and then finally we're going to go into the Resolute, well, for the current moment, a Resolute Wan2.2, and probably we are going to extend on these as well. This is going to be the most impressive one in the end. We're going to then do comparison between the actual videos. We're going to take a look into prompt adherence or coherence, as well as we are going to take a look into how can AI help us creating rather good, or let's say long word or sentences, keywords, or even better prompts when our prompts are just not, let's say, good enough or coherent enough as well. So at the final end, we'll be able, or we should be able to create different kind of videos based on these 3 different, let's say, checkpoints or variances or AI types. And at the final end, we're going to have hopefully pretty decent and very nice videos. So if you want to learn everything about FramePack, Hunyuan, Wan2.2, or anything else, if you want to take a look into custom nodes and creation on these on your own, or if you're just interested in general, feel free to join me in this course.